everyone, this is Dwayne Ellis. I just want to bring you guys up to date on basically a script that I've been working on, which is a geometry exporter for HVE 2020. It's a vehicle simulation software. You can find it here for those of you that are interested. So I'm just going to go do an overview of how it actually works, the setup. It may actually change, the UI might change, functionality might change, but as of right now, this is how it works. So you start with your vehicle, you model it in any way you want, obviously cut into pieces similar to how HVE's library is set up. First thing you want to do is click this button, which is basically going to populate the material editor with all the necessary materials that correspond to the material callout list. So generate materials, and that will give you, this body, Ford logo, amber light, whatever. So from that point, all you do is just pick the object. It doesn't really matter, like this could be mesh 001. The naming doesn't really matter because essentially what this is going to do is when you click the button, it's going to assign the material and rename the object appropriately. So just select and click through like you would normally do for all the corresponding pieces of geometry. Dark trim, light off, Ford logo, amber off. And then once you get all of this done, basically through the materials and the fact that everything is named appropriately, you don't really need that anymore. So now what you can do is select your vehicle, and I want it to be a one-click solution, so basically I just made it to the export now. So this is going to take every object in there, export the vertices and faces in the proper format, and use the proper material callout. So if you hit export now, it's going to give you a pop-up dialog box asking you where you want to save it. So we'll call it Demo Fusion. And when you hit save, it's going to save it to that location, but it's also going to kick all the data out to the editor window as well, which I'll show you. So then you've got your file format, which can be directly imported into HVE. Like I said, this is likely going to change, probably not by too much, and I'm also working on a Python version for Blender as well. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Thanks a lot.